In this video, I'm going to show you how to leave a review on VR games on Quest 2 or Quest 3. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to open up a web browser and head on over to meta.com and sign into your account. Now, from here, just do a search and then type in your game you'd like to review. So for this demonstration, I'm going to review a game called I Am Cat, and then I'm going to hit enter. So here it is here. So I'm going to go ahead and click into this game. Now from here, we're going to see the game. You're going to see if you own it. You must own it to leave a review too. So as you can see, I don't own this game. So this is just on my tutorial account. So I don't have any games in this. So what I need to do is scroll down, make sure you own the game, and then you're going to see reviews down below here. So it's got ratings and reviews, and under that it says all reviews are from verified owners of this app. So if we go ahead and learn more. So basically all reviews on the Meta Quest Store and App Lab come only from verified owners, meaning users who have purchased, redeemed and used the app. Reviews from non-owners are not published and are only visible to the author and do not affect the app's rating. Basically, Meta publishes both positive and negative reviews as long as they follow the Quest Store and App Lab user review policy. Each app shows an average star rating and a breakdown of all published ratings.